Now, this illustration deals with energy reducing line side isolation in accordance with NFPA 70E 0.2.3, item 5. Now, the purpose of the change, this section points out that energy reducing line isolation is an acceptable method for reducing incidental energy. Now, the call out here, electrical equipment encloses the line side conductors and circuit parts as outlined in 70E 0.2.3 to the Annex D on page 89, such as you see here, this circuit breaker switch encloses the conductors and circuit parts. Now, notice circuit breakers for maintenance procedures is Chapter 17 of 70B. Fuses would be Chapter 18 of 70B. And then interval checks, inspection procedures, and so forth would be found in the Annex L to NFPA 70B. But notice the 70E and 200.1, along with the informational note, refers to NFPA 70B as a standard that could be used for maintenance procedures where the manufacturer does not have maintenance instructions specified. Now, if we're using circuit breakers as an energy reducing type device, the NEC in 240.87, I believe around page 106, I believe it is, would list the requirements for installation. And then notice for fuses, it'd be 240.67 around page 105 of the NEC. Now, with this information, you can read up just exactly what an energy reducing device on an isolation would provide for you. And this Annex 5 has just been added, as you see in this illustration. And that's what this illustration is trying to get over to the user of NFPA 70E.